action. Hello everybody, it is March 16th, Sunday, 2025, and there's a faint orb flying from south to north. Would you light up for me, please, if it's your will? Would you shine, sparkle a little bit, please? Thank you so much. Please, a little bit brighter. Say, I haven't gotten any orbs tonight, I only got CubeSats. Thank you for sharing a little bit, lightening up a little bit, though. I appreciate it. What about you? What about you guys? There's two of them right here. Would either of you guys... Oh, it is lighting up now. It is lighting up. Thank you so much. Bless you. Would either of you like to light up and share your unconditional love to the world? That one was flying south to north. These two are flying from west to east. Bless you, bless you, bless you. I send you all my unconditional love and higher vibrations and unity through unconditional love. Peace and love, thank you. Will you shine if it's your will? Oh gosh, so many lights turning on and off. I'm gonna start looking with my eyes now. See if I can see a brighter one that wants to be seen. I feel bad bothering the ones that are faint and like, even though they do react and it's cool, like, there are other ones that are willing to be seen and that are willing to share, so let's find someone who wants to be seen. I'm gonna sit down because I'm lazy. Oh, I just saw one that appeared and disappeared, literally disappeared. All right, will you show yourself again? Are you a fader? I can't tell if it's going behind the tree or not. We'll see. We'll keep watch. Keeping my eyes in the sky. It's finally dark enough to see. Mother, would you like to fly by tonight and say hi or screech while I'm not talking? Because my loud mouth is always speaking whenever. You screeched and we miss it. It's your will. I'm looking. I think I saw something kind of flash. Oh, there's one. I see one. I knew I saw one above the tree lines. Here we go. We got ourselves a blessing right here. Let me focus properly. Oops. I need a better tripod. I need a ball tripod. This one is flying from south to north. Hello, hello, hello. You are so beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing your unconditional love and light with the world and your positive vibrations. I send you all my unconditional love and consciousness expansion through unconditional love and light and unity through my heart chakra. Oh, something appeared and disappeared. Was that you, Father, way up there? All the way up to you. Please take all the energy you need, the love energy you need from me, it's your will, it's so bright already, but would you like to flash or flare up if it's your will? Thank you for sharing yourself. You're beautiful enough as it is. You don't need to do anything more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I feel like it is super bright. Oh my gosh. Compared to everything else tonight. It's flying from south to north, but it looks kind of more like it's flying from southeast to north. Oh, overhead, it's getting really bright. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, I send you all my unconditional love and high vibrations. Thank you so much for... Oh, it's like pure white and flashing too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful orb. Oh, thank you so much. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Like, take all of my unconditional love and energy that you can possibly use. All my unity through unconditional love. Thank you so much. There's some faint orbs flying by. Oh, it's flashing now. Bless you, bless you, bless you. This is the one beautiful, wonderful miracle of the night. March 16th, 2025, Sunday. Thank you so much. You never know though, like, don't have expectations. Your mind will always be blown away when you're doing this. I encourage everyone, if you're interested in sky watching, you don't have to record. Just saw, look at, there's a slight fader right there. It's going a little slower than it. Locked on to the beautiful orb as it flies to the north. There's a faint one now, crisscrossing it. They always crisscross, which makes me think they're following some sort of grid or magnetic lines. It has to be a grid though. Magnetic lines usually only goes curved from south to north. Let me switch. And it gets faint as it gets further away. See that? It was beautiful. Like it flared up just because we asked with love. Bless you, bless you, bless you. I love you, love you, love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You have yourself a wonderful night. Thank you for increasing the vibrations of Mother Earth and sharing unconditional love to humanity and helping to awaken us all up. There's a faint orb too, heading from east to west. Oh, it's kind of lighting up again a little bit. I don't know, maybe not that much. It's just my night vision makes it brighter, so. Love yourselves. There's a plane right there. Fly safe, fly safe, fly safe. Love you, love you, love you. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Love yourselves unconditionally and love others unconditionally. Please forgive the traumas that you've done to yourself. Please forgive the traumas that others have done to you. Please forgive the traumas that you've done to others. Please do grounded meditations at least 5 minutes a day. We are all one consciousness. Or if you're religious, we are all God's children. Everything exists within you. Or if you are religious, the kingdom of God is within you. Your body is God's temple. You build your relationship with God through listening, through meditation. And then prayer is through talking. So listening and then talking. And here, look at this, 3 orbs. Bless you 3. Love you all. Thank you. And remember who you are. And if you're religious, remember you are God's children, and God's children, look at this, the Trinity flying right across the sky. Look at them all light up. Will you all 3 light up if it's your will? The third one, you third one in the front, if it's your will? Oh, the other 2 did. They all have free will, so I can't control them. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Please bless me with a like, subscription, follow, share, and comment so that we can share this unconditional truth and love and awakening with the whole world. Peace and love.